Okay, so here we are again in the paint booth, and that's the rear wing has all been painted there. We've just sort of come around and finished up and done the back valance there as well. We can see the door has its lovely new white roundel on there. We've just got a little bit of polishing up to do on these edges just to clean that back down. Round to the front, we've sort of seen it already, the repainted front there. Mark's been able to do a little repair just on the front here. It just touched the bonnet, just touched that wing there and marked it slightly. Then we're just gonna, he's just blown that in, and then we'll be repairing and polishing that wing back down. And here is this is a brand new driver's wing from British Heritage. So this is all about ready to fit now. We'll just go around and give this a bit of a, just needs a little bit of a flat and a polish up to get the sort of the texture of the paint down a bit, and hopefully we should be, I don't think the car will be ready to come home today, but certainly in the next sort of 2 or 3 days we should be ready to bring the car back home. And then just to show you the rear of the car again. So I think the paint sort of, it's just been blown in, so the paint finishes around here somewhere. I'm just going to have to polish those edges back down to make a nice smooth finish. And I think we just fine lined along this top edge here where it comes. And I think I'm very happy with the paint match. Whether I think they're two different paints, but the actual match is very good indeed. I think the first one I bought when I originally built the car isn't available anymore, so it's a different manufacturer. But I'm pretty certain once that's polished up, I don't think you're really going to see much of a difference between the two colours. And then just to show, it's a little bit dark, but just to show you the inside of the door there has all been redone. So I'll be giving that again a flat and a polish. We've got a tiny bit of overspray there from the rounder, which we'll certainly be able to clean up. I certainly have to say, you know, I'm very happy with how the car's progressed. Less than a week from it arriving back here to getting to this stage. So, you know, really big thanks to the guys at Lone Pine here for the amazing amount of hard work they've put in getting this back on track again. So here is the car out of the booth, just about all ready to travel home now. The last of the masking tape has been removed. As I've said earlier, I'm delighted with how quickly the repairs come, and also how good the car looks now. I'm certain it's going to look just as good as it did originally before the accident. So hopefully you'll join me at the next video when I'll be building the car up in the garage back at home. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Many thanks. Bye.